Tonight, deafness affects thousands of New Zealanders, so news of recent advances with cochlear implants is being welcomed here.
The latest implant is being called a smartphone for hearing, but some in the deaf community say although technical advances are great, they don't replace the need for New Zealand Sign Language. Lisa Davies has the story.
Barbara McBride's life was transformed 2 years ago.
The cochlear implant is quite hidden, so people often don't know that I'm deaf.
Her hearing loss had forced her to retire early.
I was avoiding socialising. People sometimes thought I was ignoring them or that I was not very smart.
She got the implant at age 69.
We all want to live our best life.
Since then, a new device has been developed, described as the world's first smart cochlear implant.
This is quite a leap forwards in cochlear implant technology,
giving future patients constant access to tech updates.
Patients had to wait, for example, 7 years roughly until a new upgrade was available, but now every little upgrade can be performed straight away as if it was a smartphone.
The first implant was designed in 1978. Since its invention, Cochlear has supplied 650,000 of these to people in 180 countries. The first surgery here was in 1986. Now close to 1,600 New Zealanders have one, and it's hoped the advances keep coming. Advocacy group Deaf Aotearoa says technological advances are positive, but it's important to remember they're not a cure and don't replace the importance of sign language and community connection. Every year, the government funds 166 New Zealanders to get a cochlear implant. Right now, there are 137 on the waiting list. But Barbara wants more people to experience the change she's had.
We need more funding to go into that and for there to be further advances so that people can have the best hearing that they possibly can.
This latest technology will make that dream a reality for many.
All right, if I can agree.